I'm Scott Knightley, current president of the National Demolition Association in North America, and I'm the owner and founder of EnviroVantage, and I've been in business for 34 years. The National Demolition Association has its headquarters in Washington, D.C., and we're about an 800-member organization representing the demolition industry in North America. So the National Demolition Association represents all vertical and horizontal integration in the demolition industry. So we have manufacturers, suppliers, we have demolition contractors, implosion contractors, environmental contractors, anything that has to do with demolition. We represent them, and we have a trade show every single year similar to this in the U.S., and we move that around, and it's a fantastic organization to be a part of to increase your safety and all the other things that you need for being a good quality contractor in the United States. This DDR forum has been fantastic. I've sat in a lot of the classes, and the classes that they have given have been top-notch. The people that are giving the classes are some of the best in the industry, and obviously you can learn a lot from talking to the people that are best in the industry, and certainly to see all the equipment. We use a lot of similar equipment in North America, but it's always interesting to see the equipment that might be a little bit different over here. But it's been a great forum. It's been very informative for me as a contractor, and I think that it's been a great experience to be over here. So when you look at the National Demolition Association and the European Demolition Association, the impact that they have on the demolition industry is tremendous. We're always looking for classes, we're always looking for safety, we're always looking for innovative ideas to do, and we're also kind of a collaborative group of people that when we put all our heads together, we can come up with some great industry challenges that we can fix internally, and we can work on them together as a team and as a group. We have lots of committees in our organization, safety, education, government affairs. Those types of committees really work hard on the things that we're finding that are giving us problems in the industry, and when we put our heads together and do all this work, we find solutions and we better the whole entire industry. I think globally, one of the reasons I'm over here is to talk with the EDA and talk with all the NFDC to find out what's going on over here in Europe and are the things that we can collaborate on and bring back to the U.S. or work together. I plan on working with the EDA and the FDIC for safety programs that you guys have already implemented over here and see what we can bring back into the United States to work with our group. I think the circular economy has some challenges, and one of the biggest challenges that we find is what is the market for the products that we're pulling out of these buildings? Are we taking products out that we have a good resale value on? Where are the market for those? A lot of times you may not have a market for gypsum because there's a lot of problems with that product. Steel's an easy one, any of the metals is a real easy one, but we're also finding where we can take out whole pieces of equipment and whole factories can come down and be shipped into South America and to other areas. Those are some of the things that I see as an issue that we need to resolve. The other thing is that I don't think everybody knows that there are markets for all of these products. You just have to look for them, and I think being able to come over here and seeing where you guys are taking all your products, where we're taking our products, it's a global economy, and we may have compressors and generators here that end up going down to South America to work in the mines and the mills. We may not know that in the United States. You may already know about that stuff over here in Europe, and to be able to take that information back and spread it amongst our members so that we have outsourced lets for these things to go to. Those are some of the bigger things that I think we need to get out there and do.